Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Owen Zarley.
We've been keeping an eye on these showers moving in through the morning. Not as heavy as we thought some would be. Those heavier thunderstorms still down to our south and west into portions of Iowa and western Illinois here this morning, but we're still seeing broad band of precipitation move in here this morning, giving us some light rainfall. But taking a look at that observed rainfall from last night and combined with this morning, we haven't seen a whole lot of rainfall added to those totals last night, which is a good sign because we see some very heavy rainfall totals in some spots along I-39 and up into Joe Davies and Stevenson County from last night, even 4 inches of rain being reported in eastern Ogle County yesterday. But we do still have flood alerts in effect across the southern portions of the state line, mainly south of Highway 20 here this morning, possibly for some rainfall totals approaching 1 to 2 inches, depending on where these thunderstorms later this morning and into the afternoon set up. We're going to be seeing those training thunderstorms. So with that, we're going to be seeing slower moving thunderstorms. And when they're training, that means they're lined up right behind each other and moving pretty slow. But temperatures here across the region: 74 in Rockford and DeKalb, 73 in Poplar Grove and Woodstock, 73 as well up in Monroe. Haven't seen those temperatures move all too much here through the morning, mainly because of that cloud cover and those rain showers we've been seeing moving in here this morning. We're getting up to about 82 degrees here, maybe 84 degrees if we could see a little bit more sunshine through the afternoon, but we are going to be keeping mostly cloudy skies, and if we get a little bit of sunshine and build some instability, could be seeing some very isolated showers and thunderstorms later into the evening. But later into the night, looking like we're going to clear out. But we'll see all that here on Futurecast, where by 11 o'clock you're seeing that those broad thunderstorms move into the region. These are going to be some heavier and slower moving thunderstorms. You see a couple thunderstorms leading out ahead of it. That's what we often see with those training thunderstorms. They're one after another and moving quite slow with heavier downpours. That's what allows such heavy rainfall to accumulate. But by about 2 o'clock, looking like most of those showers and thunderstorms well off to our south and east at that point, looking like we may actually get some clear skies into the afternoon here on Futurecast. And if that happens, could build a little bit of instability, maybe a stray shower or thunderstorm into the afternoon. We're going to be keeping those chances pretty isolated. Heading into the nighttime, though, we'll definitely clear out ahead of tomorrow, where we're going to be getting pretty hot tomorrow, getting back up into the 90s and seeing that humidity build. And then we're going to be keeping our eye up to our north and west with this complex moving through Minnesota. And you see it does move through the state line through the late evening hours and into the early morning hours of tomorrow and into Monday. Could be seeing some scattered showers and thunderstorms for early Monday morning around 3 to 4 a.m. But for the rest of Monday, looking like we're going to stay mostly clear as those temperatures continue to build and humidity builds into later portions of the early portions of next week, But taking a look at those rainfall totals as well, you've seen already an inch of rain possible or potential rainfall by 11 o'clock there in Sterling, and across the rest of the southern portions of state line south of Highway 20, nearly an inch of rainfall possible in Rochelle and over an inch of rainfall out in DeKalb. So keeping our eyes on south of Highway 20 mainly today in the southern portions of the state line, where we're going to be seeing continued heavy rainfall. And because of that, the slight 2 out of 4 risk for excessive rainfall is in place. Could be seeing some of those storms with 1 inch plus per hour rates of rainfall falling later today. But taking a look at temperatures here, we're going to be seeing a warming trend as we head towards Sunday and into Monday due to this high pressure system, but that's going to start to slowly drift off to the south and west. And when that happens, actually going to start to see some cooler temperatures move in as we head towards the weekend. Cold front for Wednesday going to really drop those temperatures as we head towards the end of the week. And we'll see that here on the 7-day forecast. We're going to be at 82 degrees today, 90 degrees on Sunday, 92 on Monday. Monday could be seeing heat index values approach 100 to 105 degrees. Heading towards the end of the week, though, temperatures will slowly begin to cool down even into the upper 70s by Thursday and Friday. Back to you, Tom.